hope you're well and having the most incredible day today. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, hello and welcome. I hope you guys are having a great day, and if you're not subscribed watching this video, please do. Honestly, I would really appreciate it, and I'm really hoping to hit 10k this year, so help me get there, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, that'd be great. So I would imagine that a lot of you guys have heard of the brand SHEIN, and I was on the website the other day and I put quite a few things in my basket and it came to about £98, and I thought, oh, do I, don't I? And I did it. So I thought I would share with you guys what I bought from SHEIN for myself. I feel like it's a little bit more justifiable if I make a video about it, so that is what I'm doing today. I picked up quite a few things that I wouldn't normally buy myself. I went for a few different kind of looks, and that is just because I feel like I just need a few different things in my wardrobe. Otherwise, I constantly wear the same things and I just want to change it up a little bit. So without further ado, I am going to jump right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first thing I picked up was actually this jumper. It is a simple white cropped long sleeve jumper. Nothing that exciting about it, but the reason I actually picked this up was because I wanted to get these. Now these, you probably can't see them too well on camera, but these are just some plain black cargo style joggers. They have pockets on the sides, they have pockets on the front, they have a drawstring kind of tie up around the waist, and they have a kind of, what's this bit called? A suction-y ankle bit. Cuffed ankle. When I saw these, I sort of imagined them in my head with a nice white crop jumper with some Doc Martens, and I just thought that'd be a really nice vibe, and I loved the idea of it, so that is kind of why I went for these, and I believe these were about £20 and the top was probably under 10. I really like the material of these. They are a very kind of cargo style, like canvasy material. I did imagine it in my head that they were going to be more of a jogger material, but I think I actually prefer these because I think they might sit on my body a little bit nicer than a jogger, so that is why I went for these. I just thought they were a little bit different, and like I have nothing in my collection like this at all, so that was kind of the main reason for buying all this stuff. I just wanted to go for something different and add a few new pieces to my wardrobe. So yeah, nothing much else to say about this. They are black cargo jogger style trousers and a plain white top, so that is why I got those, and I really like them. Next up, we have probably the most boring item, and that is some ruched black cycling shorts. Now I might be wrong, are cycling shorts still in style? I don't really know if they are or not, but I really wanted some new ones because my old ones were just very gross, and I don't like the material of them anymore. They are like a latexy, stretchy kind of situation, and that's just not my vibe. So I went for this material, very soft, really nice quality actually, and I believe these were about £4 or something. The only issue I have with these, the only thing, is that they have got that thing like on the inside, you know, where it feels like there's like a card or some material on the inside to like keep this from like being soft. Well, I know that when I put them in the washing machine, it's going to come out all twisted, which is going to be really annoying, but we move on. So the reason I bought those cycling shorts was actually to pair with this hoodie. Now this one, I think it says lovesick on it. I'm not 100% sure, but I really like the writing. That's why I picked it up. So I hope it doesn't say anything offensive, but I think it says lovesick on it. I don't really know. I think that's what it says. Anyway, really love this. I bought this in a large, and I just feel like I probably shouldn't have bought it in a large, and the only reason I bought it in a large was because I wanted it to be like a jumper dress length on me, but I feel like it's more wide than it is long. So if I show you what I mean, the shoulder parts are here, so if I put it on my shoulder, I feel like I can fold this up again and it's probably going to be my shoulder length. So I'm not really sure how this is going to sit, but I'll try it on, and it might actually just be a really nice oversized jumper. The only thing with this that I didn't like so much is that it is a very thin material, so it's not a really thick, warm, snuggly kind of jumper. It is more of a lightweight kind of outfit style jumper, if you know what I mean. But I think this was only maybe £14 or something, so it is quite inexpensive, but I will definitely try that on and see how it fits. But I'm hoping it fits nice, but we'll see. Next up is probably the item that I'm most terrified about, and that is because I bought some jeans. Now, most of us know that buying jeans is probably the most painful, upsetting, traumatic experience, especially if you don't necessarily like your figure, like myself. I hate it. So I hate buying jeans. I hate trying on jeans. I don't really like trying on clothes in general, but jeans for me are the worst, and I hate it. So when I saw these, I had them in my basket for a while, and I was like, oh, do I bother? Like, do I risk it? And I risked it. So I picked up these really nice grey, like subtly acid washed sort of style jeans. They are mum jeans, which is a lot better than buying like skinny jeans, because hopefully they'll be a bit more forgiving, if you know what I mean. But they've got a kind of bigger style cuff at the bottom, which I will roll up, and then they have got rips in both of the legs, so that's kind of what it looks like. It's hard to show you on camera, but hopefully you get the gist. Basically they look like this, so if I just show you like this that is what they look like. I am really excited to try these on. I am very nervous to try these on, but I thought, screw it, do you know what, let's go for something different. Let's buy some jeans, and if they don't fit, I will make them fit. So that is why I bought those. And I bought these because, I don't know, I just thought they were something different. I own a blue pair of mum jeans in my collection anyway, and other than that, all I have is skinny jeans, and I thought, you know what, let's go for some grey ones. So I picked these up, and I'm actually really excited about it, so hopefully they fit. If they don't fit, I will be fuming, so that's really great. To go with those jeans, I bought myself 2 different top outfitty bits, but to go underneath both of those, I just grabbed myself a white, like, vest top situation. It's just one of those tops that go, like, slightly in on the sides. It is a ribbed white texture, probably see-through, a little bit see-through, but nothing too major, and it is just a cropped top. Now, I just bought this because I thought that it's just a nice basic to have in your wardrobe. I feel like I wish I bought them in a few colours, but anyway. And this is a size medium, just so you guys know. I think it is more cream than white, actually, looking at it. I can't really tell if that's cream or white. Does it look? I think it might be more slightly cream. It was under £5, very nice material, bought it in a medium, and that's about it. So, picked up one of those, really boring, but goes with the jeans. So the first item that I bought to go over that and those jeans is this shirt. Now, I have 2 shirts in my collection. One is pink and one is purple. So I really wanted to get a more neutral, subtle, kind of wintry vibe situation going on. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is a very, very thin material. It's very thin, very see-through. I can see through that as clear as day, so it is definitely not something you'd probably want to wear on its own, because it will be cold. But I just bought this to kind of have undone over the top, maybe even over the top of some skinny jeans with some Doc Martens or something. I don't know, I just thought it would be something different, and I really like the colour of it. It is a very dark kind of grey, black, and then a subtle hint of blue, and I just really liked that, so picked that up. Again, I don't think it was that expensive, so I wouldn't necessarily worry too much that it is thin, because it wasn't that expensive. But yeah, just really nice, something different, and yeah. And last but not least is something that past me would definitely never have bought, because I never like brown. I'm not a brown kind of gal. I'm not into browns. I never liked brown as a kid either, even though my mum definitely bought me some brown clothes. It just wasn't my fave. However, brown is very much in, so I thought, you know what, Melody, you need to keep up with the styles, so you're gonna buy something brown. So I bought myself this brown hoodie. It's cropped, it's got cropped sleeves. The thickness of this, really lovely. It's got a really beautiful, thicker, kind of soft lining. It is really nice quality, and again, I think this was only about £14, so it's definitely something different. I wanted to go for the cropped one because I just felt, I don't know, normal hoodies just drown me out, and they do make me look really wide, so I thought that this would cinch in my waist a little bit. So I just picked this up, and I bought this in a large, so bearing in mind that's a large, okay, because this doesn't look large to me. This looks quite small, so I'm really glad I bought it in a large, because otherwise I think it'd be like child size. So yeah, bought that, love the colour, and to go along with those I got myself some little brown scrunchies, so I will just open them, bear with me. Sorry about the noise, bit of ASMR for you. So these were the 2 scrunchies that came in the pack. These were 99 pence, so unreal. I thought even just with my hair now, they just look really cute, but they don't necessarily match. This one kind of does, I guess. They don't match 100%, but I just thought it'd be a nice addition to something kind of basic, and I just thought that maybe, I don't know, these would be something different, and they were 99p, so I couldn't help myself, and I just put them in my basket. So that is everything that I got from SHEIN for £100. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and hopefully the more I film clothing hauls, the better they will get. For some reason, I really struggled filming this today. I feel like my clothing descriptive words are not top tier yet, so I do need to sort that out. But yeah, I think I got some really nice pieces. I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below anywhere else that you would like to see me do hauls for, like Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing or anywhere like that. Let me know down below. And yeah, I'm gonna go try all these on now because I haven't even tried them on yet. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!